Are you tired of spending hours optimizing your Facebook ads? Well, get ready to revolutionize your advertising strategy in 2024. Today, we unveil the new way to run Facebook ads, one that will unlock the future of online marketing. Imagine a world where you no longer have to fiddle with multiple ad sets and manual bidding. Say goodbye to the headache of constantly analyzing metrics to optimize your campaigns. With our revolutionary system, artificial intelligence takes over the heavy lifting for you. Our cutting-edge algorithm leverages machine learning to automatically optimize your ads. It constantly adapts to changes in the market, making strategic adjustments in real time. Our new system learns from your previous campaigns and implements proven strategies to ensure maximum success. But that's not all. Introducing our groundbreaking audience profiling feature.
Gone are the days of targeting broad audiences and hoping for the best. Our AI-powered system analyzes massive amounts of data to identify your ideal audience. It precisely targets those users who are most likely to engage with your ad and convert into loyal customers. With the new way to run Facebook ads, reaching your business goals has never been easier. So say hello to more conversions, increased brand awareness, and higher ROI. Leave the tedious work to us, while you focus on what really matters: growing your business. Join the revolution today and unlock the future of Facebook advertising. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Subscribe to our channel, and be part of the journey towards success in 2024. Thanks for watching.